Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back class 7th in your mathematics online class. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 30, polygons. What is polygon? A simple closed plane figure bounded by a line segment is called a polygon. See this figure. Is this a polygon? No, this is not a polygon. This one? Is this a polygon? No, it is not a polygon. Now see this figure. This figure is, you can see this is a closed figure bounded by a line segment, right? So this figure is a polygon. Now polygons are classified according to the number of sides they have. As you can see, number of side 3. So we say it triangle. If the side is 4, then we say quadrilateral. 5 sides, pentagon. 6 side, hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 side, octagon. 9 side, nonagon. 10 side, decagon. So these are the polygons which are classified according to their sides, right? Now angles of a polygon. First is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Quadrilateral, a polygon having 4 sides, right? The sum of the angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Second, the sum of the angles of a pentagon is 6 right angle, or you can say 540 degree. 6 right angle means 6 multiplied by 90. So what you get? You get 540. Third is the sum of the angles of a hexagon is 8 right angles, or 720. 8 right angles, 8 multiplied by 90, 720. Now angle sum of any polygon. First, the sum of the interior angles of a polygon containing n sides. To find out the sum of the interior angle of a polygons, the formula for this is 2n minus 4 right angle, or you can say 2n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. Second is each interior angle of a regular polygon having n sides. Here, to find out the each interior angle, which formula we use? We use 2n minus 4 upon n multiplied by right angle, or you can say 2n minus 4 upon n multiplied by 90. Learn these formulas by heart. Okay, let's start exercise 30A. This is question number 2. Find the sum of interior angles of a polygon with 80 sides. So we have to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon. So I have told you the formula. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equals to sum of interior angle of a polygon containing n sides is equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Here the value of n is 80, right? So we place the value of n here. So here we get 2 into 80 minus 4 into 90. So here we get 160 minus 4 into 90, 156 into 90 degree. So here we get 14040 degree. So this is the sum of the interior angle of a trigon, right? So we write here sum of the interior angles of a 80 gon is equals to 2 into 80 minus 4 into 90 degree. So here we get the answer. Next question, if in the quadrilateral ABCD the angle A is equals to 78 and the angle B is equals to 125 degree, how many degrees are there in the sum of the angles ADC and BCD? Suppose this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. It is given that A is 78 and B is 125. And what we have to find? We have to find the sum of these two angles ADC and BCD. So we all know that the sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. So angle A is 78, so 78 degree plus angle B is 125 degree plus angle ADC plus angle BCD is equals to 360 degree. Now add 78 and 125, here you get 203 plus angle ADC plus angle BCD is equals to 360 degree. Now angle ADC plus angle BCD is equals to 360 degree minus 203 degree. So here we get 157 degree. So the sum of angle ADC and BCD is 157 degree. Next question, question 7. By drawing diagonals through one of the vertices, find the sum of the angles of an octagon. So first step is we draw an octagon. Octagon means a polygon having 8 sides. So here I have drawn an octagon, as you can see here, right? Now what we have to do, we have to join the vertices, right? So I have taken one vertex P and I have joined the vertices. I joined this P, R, P, S, then P, T, P, U and P, V. As you can see, I have joined this vertex P to the opposite vertices to make diagonals. So here you can see these are the diagonals. I have joined PR, then PS, PT. You can take any one vertex and you can join it to the opposite vertices. So as you can see here, that how many triangles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 triangles, right? This octagon is divided into 6 triangles. Now we know that the sum of one triangle, the sum of the angle of one triangle is 90 degree. Oh, sorry, 180 degree. 180 degree means 2 right angles, right? So the sum of the angles of the 6 triangle is equals to 2 right angle multiplied by 6. So here we get 12 right angle. So this is our required answer. Question number 12. One angle of a 7-sided polygon is 138 degree and each of the other 6 angles is x degree. Find the value of x. Now first we find out the sum of the angle of 7-sided polygon. So we will write sum of the interior angle sum of the interior angles of 7 gone is equals to, here the value, we know the formula 2n minus 4 into 90. Here the value of n is 7, right? Now 14 minus 4 into 90 degree. Here we get 10 into 90 degree. So here we get the sum of the interior angle of a 7 gone is equals to 900 degree. Now one angle of a polygon is given. So one angle is 138 and the other angles is 6. So other angles is x. So see, the other 6 angles is x, right? And the 7th angle is 138 and we have the sum of this 7 angle is 900, so we write it here. Now from here we'll find out the value of x. 138 degree, how many x is here? 6x. Then 900, so here we get 900 minus 138. So 762 and x is equals to 762 by 6. So we get the value 127 degree. Next, question number 13. Find the size of each interior angle of a regular 90 gone. So here the value of n is given 90, right? N is equals to 90 and we have to find the size of each interior angle. So we know the formula. Each interior angle of a regular polygon having n sides is equals to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90 degree, right? Now we find the each interior angle of a 90 gone is equals to 2 into 90 minus 4 upon 90 into 90 degree. So this 90 cancel out. 290 times 180 minus 4. So here we get 176 degree. Next is question number 10. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:3:5:8. Find the angles. So let the angles of a quadrilateral be 2x, 3x, 5x and 8x. Now we know that the sum of the angle of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. So from here we will find out the value of x. 360 divided by 18. Here we get the value x equals to 20. So first angle is 2x, that means 2 into 20, which is equals to 40 degree. Second angle 3x, 3 into 20, 60 degree. Third angle 5x, 5 into 20, 100 degree. Fourth angle 8x, 8 into 20, that is 160 degree. This is it. Your chapter is finished and your half yearly course is finished. do complete all your work. Do practice daily at least for 2 hours. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.